Hi everybody, welcome to Dandelion Cottage and Marvelous Monday. I'm Leslie Watkins, and today I thought I'd show you how to make a little holiday tea light box. So this is a very easy project. It's just a little tiny box that has a folded lid, and on the inside it holds a nice sized tea light. Okay, this is one of those beautiful scented ones. So this is a very nice gift at the holidays. It's something that could be a stocking stuffer. You could then decorate the box any way you like using die cuts, punches, designer series paper, or stamps. But today I'm just going to show you how to make the very basic box. And to make this box, you just need a handful of what I consider the essential tools. And because we're so close to Christmas today, I thought what I would do is put together a package of some paper and some adhesive and some tools, everything that you would need to make a box like this, plus others, and all in one package, so that you could either have it for yourself in time for the holidays to make little boxes for your gifts, or you could give it to somebody as a Christmas present. And so the package, including everything, and a free class which will show you how to make not only this box but a reinforced box and an explosion box, would be $85. That includes shipping, tax, and everything. And what you would get would be a full pack of 12 by 12, 20 sheets of all different colored papers. This is just a neutral pack, but I would include a Regals pack so that you would have all the beautiful colors for Christmas. You get a roll of tear and tape adhesive, which is super strong and terrific for making boxes, a pair of paper snips, a bone folder — you see me using these things every single day — and the fantastic trimmer, okay, which is just the best tool that you can have. It has both a cutting blade and a scoring blade, and the arm extends to 17 inches for those extra large projects. And in the box making workshop, it's a video that comes with a PDF, so you have the video with all the instruction, as well as a PDF that you can print out with all the measurements and instructions so that you could follow along. And at that point, you would have all of the information needed to make a variety of boxes, and you could decorate them any way you like all year round. So let's get started with this box, with our little tea light box. And I'm going to start with a piece of real red cardstock, and this measures 6.5 inches long by 3 3/4 inches wide. And I'm going to put it into my trimmer, and I'm just going to score at 1 inch. And in this case, I'm using the 1 inch measurement. I can zoom you in a little bit. I'm using the 1 inch measurement over here on the right side of the trimmer. So putting that in there, using my score blade, not the cutting blade, the score blade, I'm just going to go around on all 4 sides and do the same thing. There we go. And then on the long side, I'm going to score at 2 3/4 and 3 3/4. And that's it. You're done with that. Now using my bone folder, I'm just going to gently give each of these score lines a good burnish. Just like that. And then I'm going to take my snips, and on the long side I'm going to snip at each of these score lines up to that little intersection. And I'm doing that on both sides. There you go. And then I'm going to angle cut each one of these little tabs. Okay, so the little square ones, there's 3 on each side. And I'm just taking a little bit of a sliver off of each one. So it looks like that. I'm going to do that on this side as well. And usually with most boxes you'd be done with your cutting, but because this box is so tiny and these pieces, these flaps are going to overlap slightly on the sides, I'm going to just snip off a little third off of each one so we don't have all that excess. So when you're done, the box looks like that. All right, and that's all there is to it, to this very simple box. Now in the video, I will show you also how to make a reinforced box, which is a box that has both a lid and a bottom, and is good and strong and will last a long time, because some of these boxes, after you're done decorating, are so pretty that you're not going to want to throw them away, and neither is your gift recipient. And I'm taking little pieces of the tear and tape, and I'm just tearing them off with my fingers, and I'm putting a little bit of tear and tape on each of these flaps near the score line. Okay, and when it's all on there, I'm going to take my burnisher and press that down really well. And then peel off the backing. And that's going to give me a really sticky adhesion that's going to be strong enough to hold these boxes together no matter what you put inside. Okay, now there's one last thing. If you want, and this is optional, it can be very nice to also put a little thumb hole. So if I use this, oops, I'm sorry, I'm off camera there. If I use this little round punch and just punch out a half circle that makes a very nice thumb hole for your box. So that would be the lid. So let's do the bottom first. And I'm just meeting up the corners so that they're nice and even. So you get a nice square corner. And then, once you have your bottom assembled, then you can just fold over your top and fold in your little flaps, and then put your side down. And I do this way just to be sure that we have a really nice fit on the top of our box. And there it is, absolutely perfect, really cute and ready to decorate. And if I get my tea light, so here's my little tea light, I can pop that right in there and we're good to go. Now I want to show you an example of a reinforced box that I made. And this is the sort of thing that we'll be doing in the workshop. So here's a box that both the top and the bottom are reinforced, so it's nice and sturdy. It has a really great feel to it, and it's been decorated with a little poinsettia and a Merry Christmas stamp. An example of an explosion box is this. Okay, so an explosion box, I better zoom you out for this, is a box where when you take the lid off, and this lid is all beautifully decorated with an assortment of die cuts, punches, ribbon, gold foil, and decorative papers. You take the lid off, and this is what the sides look like, and it opens up to reveal a surprise inside. Now, I'm not going to be showing you how to make something as elaborate as this in the box making workshop, but I will show you how you can make a very simple basis for an explosion box that you can decorate and fill however you like. So I hope you enjoyed that. One further thing is, if you decide to get this kit today and join the class for $85, and that includes all of the shipping and the tax and everything you need to make these boxes, I will give you a free gift. So that's just for today. And in order to find out more about this, please go to my website at dandelioncottagedesign.com and subscribe to Notes, and I will send you all the information that you need to know to register and to learn what's included in the workshop and what your free gift will be. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. I hope that you're interested in making these wonderful little boxes. I will be back on Wednesday for Watercolor Wednesday at 12 noon. Stay well, stay healthy, and stay creative. I'll see you then.